Hey everyone, today we're hitting the front delts with a powerful superset to build that well-rounded, fuller shoulder look. This superset will torch your front delts in just a few minutes with just one set of dumbbells. Front delts or anterior deltoids sit right on the front of your shoulders. Developing the front delts helps to fill the space between your chest and shoulders, creating a more complete and aesthetically pleasing upper body physique. We'll start with dumbbell front raises. Hold the dumbbells in front of your thighs, palms facing down. Lift them slowly to shoulder height. No swinging, no jerking, lower under control. This isolates the anterior deltoids and builds that front shoulder definition. Right after that, we'll go straight into dumbbell upright rows. Keep the dumbbells close to your body. Pull them straight up to chest level, elbows leading the way. This works the front delts, side delts and traps. Delts respond best when laser targeted with lighter weights and higher reps. So pick a weight you can handle for 12 to 16 reps on the raises. Then immediately use the same weight for upright rows, going until failure. Since your front delts are already fried from the raises, even that lighter weight will feel heavy on the rows. And that's exactly what we want. The compound upright row as the second exercise forces your front delts to give out first. That's targeted overload, and that's how you drive growth. And the upright row is also notorious for being done wrong, but by using lighter weight, we reduce the risk of injury. Plus, since there's no set number of reps for the rows, you won't chase a target that makes your form go sloppy. You just go until your shoulders give out with clean form. Personally, I sometimes switch the dumbbells with resistance bands for the rows. I really like the constant tension from the bands on the front delts and traps. If you have access to bands, I recommend mixing them in once in a while. That variety also sparks muscle growth. I sometimes use kettlebells as well. This superset helped me a lot, and I hope it will help grow your front delts as well. See you next time with another superset.